Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic Reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara, the second chapter of the Quran, and the longest chapter in the Quran. It is, Inna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. Indeed, Allah is able to do all things. This is verse 20. The first point of reflection is that this verse is fundamentally a reminder to the believers that no matter how difficult their circumstances may be, Allah can change it for the better. We just need to have patience built on trust in Allah's ability to change things for the better, if it is indeed better for us in the long run, even though it might not seem that way in the short run. وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَل لَّهُ مَخْرَجًا. And Allah will make a way for whoever is mindful of Him. وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبُ. And He will provide sustenance for him or her from where they would never expect it. The second point is that this statement that Allah can do anything, which is a maxim in Islam, Allah is able to do all things. It doesn't include ludicrous acts, which would make Allah less than unique and less than the one God, all-powerful, that He is. So, for example, this doesn't include things which would make Him weak like His creatures. Having a son, that's a need out of a weakness that we as humans have. And Christians claim that God had a son. Well, we said He can do all things, so couldn't He have a son? No. This is ludicrous. This is nonsense. It's like saying, well, can God become a mosquito that you can and kill him? Nonsense, nonsense. Similarly, for the atheists, they like to raise the question to those who believe in God, can God create or make a stone which is too heavy for Him to lift? Again, ludicrous. That's just like the mosquito. So, when we say Allah is able to do all things, this includes all things befitting of Him as the one true God. Point number 3 for reflection is that no matter how powerful our enemies might seem, Allah is able to overcome them. So this verse is, in general, a confidence builder for the believers. We shouldn't fear the enemies of Allah as long as we are among the friends of Allah. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
لا إله